Hey guys, today we are working on the blur tool, which is super fun. I have this picture here where this guy looks like he's having a great time, but maybe there's some people I don't want in the picture the attention to be on. Like maybe this guy here looks not very happy with us and he's gonna like go after us. This guy looks like he's about to cry. This other guy over here looks like something smells, and it's like, okay, well, how can we take the focus off and make it look like this? So that's what I'm going to teach you first. So if you are at home, we are still using Pixlr E. I'm going to just call this Blur 2. Full HD, click Create, and I'm ready to go. I just put Happy Crowd of People, and I found this guy, and we can just, I'm right-clicking, hitting Copy, coming back, and Control V. If I have Arrange tool, I can make this guy much bigger. Get rid of this, add the cape thrown in. Now you can crop it and do all that good stuff, but I'm going to leave it and just get to work. So the first thing we're going to do is hit our 3 vertical dots here, and we're going to duplicate the layer, and then let's change the name of this. I'm just going to call this Edit, because that's where my edits are going to go. This is an easier one to do. So then I'm going to come up into my filter and do details. And we're using Gaussian blur. We used this once before. It's a great one to use. I'm going to turn it all the way up and click apply. It used to let you go a lot higher, which I feel like we need to do. So I'm going to come right back into blur again and crank this thing up. So we're really blurring it out, and I'm actually going to come back in one last time. Filter, details, Gaussian blur, and maybe about half. Right about there. Okay, I went to, so it's really like a 275. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use the eraser tool, and we're going to use the paintbrush. I adjusted mine to 63. Guys, it's going to kind of depend on yours, and actually the way this is zoomed in, I might even go a little bit bigger than that. So let's go up. Maybe I'm doing 75 right now. You'll find what fits. Now I recommend doing a little bit at a time and then stopping in case you have to. So I'm holding down the click, then I let go. Because if you realize that you do a piece that you need to undo, like right there, I don't like how far it went, so I can do edit, undo, and it comes back, and now I just redo the part. Okay, so we're just coming through, and it's just like we're painting it, but instead what we're doing is we're removing the Gaussian blur that we put on there, and what's going to happen is this guy's going to really pop off. So here he comes, or pop out, I should say. His hair is starting to pop a little bit, like so. This just takes a little time. I'm going to want all this. This is part of his little outfit he's got going here. Remember to unclick and then start again. Because honestly, this part up here I probably would have undone. But we're going to, for interest of time in the recording, I'm going to stop right about here. Make sure I get the rest of his body. Now, if I really want to do a check and see that I got everything, if I unclick background, it'll show me some spots. I can come in and get those. Looks like I missed a spot here and up here and a little right there. So let's click that back. And there he is. You can really see how he just kind of pops out. So that's how you can do one. I'm going to challenge you to do a second one as well. So you pick somebody, pick them in the crowd. But I'm also asking you, maybe you do somebody holding a sign. Might be a funny one as your second one. It's the same thing, guys. These are super quick. As you saw in the tutorial, that was live to get 4 minutes and done. I think this one would be a funny one to do. My dad says run the ball. You could also just do like street signs, like this one with the kangaroo. I get a kick out of it. That might be fun. You could just make this pop where it really is bright and stands out. This stop sign up here, really cracked me up as well. So you get the idea, right? I'm challenging you to do two, one with a person, one with a sign, and have fun. It's an easy one, but it's fun to do, and I hope you enjoy it. And I almost forgot, don't forget, when we're done, you can go ahead, click File, and Save, and it's already named, and click Download as well. All right, have a great day. Good luck.